How to create logo with Tailor Brands. Step 1. Head to tailorbrands.com and click Get Started. Type in your business or brand name, then hit Design. Step 2. Tailor Brands will ask a few quick questions to understand your style. Pick your industry, choose your logo type, icon-based, name-based, or initials. Then, select from several style inspirations: clean, modern, bold, elegant, or etc. This helps the AI generate a logo that fits your brand. Step 3. Once your logos are generated, scroll through the options and click on Design you like. Then, click Customize to edit, like fonts, colors, icons, and layouts. Adjust until it looks perfect for your brand. Step 4. Once you're happy, click Finish. You'll need to sign up or log in. Tailor Brands may ask you to choose a plan to download high-resolution files, including social media kits and transparent versions. And that's it!